All right. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening to you. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope all is well with you. Yes, happy new month. Of course, happy new week as well. Today's date is 2nd day of March 2026, and I am here to share a few things with us. Many of us have seen this video of Orji Kalu, where he said that they used to buy people when they were in PDP. And the reaction of people towards that video is shocking. People, like always, reacted on it as if it doesn't really matter. It's just that there's nothing serious, not even government, no police, no DSS, nothing whatsoever. A politician opened up his mouth and said this. You don't even ask questions. You don't even bother to figure out or interrogate him. Who are those that you bite and why? It's not as if you asked that because you don't know. Don't get it twisted. But at least ask Patanketa, Akbe, Egosia, which people are doing, but they're doing it at the wrong time and they're doing it on the wrong person. This man is an ex-governor of Abia State who claimed that they used to buy people. And nobody, summoned the courage to ask him or arrest him. Nobody. Hear this. There's no problem. Listen. Because I want us to focus on the issues. I think I mistakenly click on something else. Let me go back a little bit to. There's no problem. Listen. PDP, we used to kill people when they. There's no problem. No, something is wrong, but I'll play it anyway. We used to kill people when they are doing this, which is not good. People used to die. Okay. But the South is nobody. Don't worry, I'm gonna play it from the beginning again. I just want you to see his face. Why? There's no problem. It's PDP. He's not responding. Something is wrong somewhere. But hold on. There's no problem. It's PDP. We used to kill people when they are doing this, which is not good. People used to die. But the South is nobody died. So we are very happy the conferences came very well in Southeast and went very well. There's no problem. In PDP, we used to kill people when they are doing this, which is not good. People used to die. But the South is nobody died. So we are very happy the conferences came very well in Southeast and went very well. Now, he tried to play politics, but at the same time exposing himself. In PDP, we used to kill people when they do this, but in Southeast, nobody died. He's trying to tell you that where he come from, there's nothing like that, but he used the word we. So where do you kill your own? In Yoruba land, in Hausa land, where? As a governor. What I'm trying to say is this, not only him, because the government of the day or government of Nigeria gave them the platform to do and undo. He's here talking about we used to kill people and all that. I knew that because of the white man, that this this person is one of the, I think, I don't know his job. He's a lawmaker, US lawmaker. They now have access to the video. Look at it here. A US lawmaker, Michael Williams. He's the one that made this post. I said, I'm quoting him verbatim. We used to kill people when we were in PDP, Orji Kalu. When did he make this post? January, okay, 13th. Now, after he made this post, people are now, the video started going viral and all that. But even at that, nobody from Nigeria or no black person is pushing it, not at all. So we are all waiting for America to do everything for us. How can he come out and tell you? How can he just open his mouth and tell you, and told you that we used to kill people when we were in PDP? Even though you know that they used to kill people, but this confession not be here. He confirmed it to you. Has this confession taken anything from him? No. Is there any trial, anything at all against him? No. Is not even charges. And the same man will open his mouth and tell you that those boys talking about Biafra, they are killing people. Oh, the one is killing people. Oh, Samonepa is killing people. All the Biafran agitators are killing people. He said it by himself that they used to kill people, even in PDP, in APC. You think they're not doing the same thing? Really, you think that it's just in PDP? No. This is the theory that you are just playing with, very huge python. Thinking python that eventually, of course, swallow you. They are all the same. I listened to Adiola, her reaction on Dave Omaye saga, because the recent trending news is that Dave Omaye, own a woman that supplied goods to him. Dave Omaye refused to pay the woman. He's still owing the woman today and doing everything to make sure that he sleeps with the woman. That news is kind of the news of the week, this past week, because now we are not in a new week. But the news, the problem continues. He tried to get the woman arrested. That Shore and really that man, everybody just went there to stop that. Happened just in Nigeria a few days ago. Dave Omaye have record of, people having issue with people, taking people's property, bragging about it, forcing himself on a woman. All of them have this woman issue. How to sleep with a woman. I don't know what is wrong with them. So not only killing, they're actually forcing themselves on a woman. Why am I bringing this to you now? Because the same gangs are the one telling that Kalu should remain in prison. Samonepa should be repatriated and face a death sentence. Why? Because they say that they are causing problems that bite people. Whereas they are the main machine. These people, government house, these are slaughters or butchers. They know how to do it, and it's not nothing to them. All of them from A to Z. In PDP, we used to kill people. But the same you is pushing for Nigerian government to keep PM Mazen where he is. They are buying our people. They are causing security. I'm not a promoter of buying anybody. I can never support people buying people. Okay, but self-defense, I don't see it as a problem. I don't see self-defense as a problem, but I see you planning on how to hold down other people. It doesn't matter if you're a politician or even a non-state art or whatever they normally call that. I am not here to promote anything as such. Well, let's not pretend that we don't know who is actually buying people. We do know. And if you are in doubt, hear it from Orji Ghana. He just told you what they normally do. He just mentioned it to you. We used to buy people. Buying people to achieve what? What exactly do you think you are going to achieve by buying people? Mazen Ghana is where he is today because they just cooked up the story that they're buying people, that the Mazen Ghana will buy people. After buying people in his own house, so his own facing charges and trials because of buying up of anybody. Orji Ghana, who is another Igbo man, is here telling that what they used to do. Not one, not two, not three. Have you seen Mazen Ghana? Have you seen him buying anybody? No. Then why is he facing trial? Why is he being put to facing death sentence or life sentence rather? Why? All this thing is something that people need to ask, okay? Because it is not a good thing at all. It's not a good thing. And not just Kalu, and many of them are like that. At the end of the day, Igbo man go they suffer. Please, it is not good at all. I'm not gonna lie to you. When are we going to stand up and begin to defend ourselves? Begin to say the way it is, begin to call people out, begin to question them and interrogate them let them explain what they've said and let them explain what they've done. How can a ex-governor, open up his mouth and say that kind of thing? And they think it is normal.
There's no problem. In PDP, we used to kill people when they are doing this, which is not good. People used to die. But in the Southeast, nobody died. So we are very happy the Congress came very well in Southeast and went very well. There's no problem. In PDP, we used to kill people when they are doing this, which is not good. People used to die. But in the Southeast, nobody died.
Very, very sad. Very, very sad. And the reaction is just like, doesn't matter. It's okay. It's okay. I have not seen anybody demanding more explanation. Who did you buy? Also, can tell us who did you buy? Tell us what happened. No trial. All of them, including P2B. At some point, they buy people like that. Why P2B? Because under his leadership, the issue of Uzor River. Okay? Until now, nobody, no trial, nothing, no question. Just they move, they go, no problem. Hi. You get as a B. You get as a B. I made mention of what is his name? Not just Okano. I made mention of other politicians, that have a way of buying people and pretend. After buying people, they will be the one to start championing, Biafra. Do you know that all the shootings, all the attack on Biafran, pro-Biafran movement is being supervised by Igbo governors? They are the one. They're the one. And everybody will just turn away. It doesn't know. Now, this man is telling you, Kolo. Do I expect America to do something against him? Not really. Because of one no called there imepe ọnụ. Gụwa na-enye nri n'ọnụ ka ọ dịara imepe ọnụ ka a tie gịrị n'ọnụ gị. What are we actually doing to warrant that kind of external intervention? What exactly? We always want to, look for the easy way, the easiest way. Those of us that don't have that they're not looking for the easiest way. Those who claim they are in government, they will do everything to put them behind the bar. It is always like that. And honestly, until we stand up and do something differently by making sure that put a system or a way of checkmating on them, for them to explain and explain and explain. Without it, you will go nowhere. We will go nowhere. If it, like countries that mean good, also kind of will not say this thing and it will just die like that. No. He did not even mention it. In fact, who would even give him platform to carry it out? How can you do it? I know of a country that just because a wife of a president went to London and purchased expensive handbag, that president, that leader of the country, as I'm telling you now, is in prison because of the handbag the wife purchased. So many people, so many stories like that. So many stories like that. But on our own, the more you stay, the more you are getting closer to become the president. One of the criteria to become a president is to still and commit all manner of crime and cover it up. Have the heart to do and don't do. Do you know the level of people that these people have buying in the land? Hope of them don't lost count now. He can't compare. I mean, you cannot compare. I used to kill people. We used to kill people. He just indicted all the governors. And of course, Senate and House of Representatives. Anyway, I just want to share this with us because I noticed that it's not moving. Nobody is talking about it. It's just one of the, just one of the random video. The man said it to you, Kolo, 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 do your worst. Everybody's people have moved on. Please let me know what you think about it. That even the senator, American senator, is sharing it. This because they know. I wonder what will be going on in his mind. Maybe is this how people behave? Something like that. Please like the video and share it. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Good morning, good afternoon to you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.